Good morning, everyone, and good afternoon, everyone. Should we start by singing our hello song for today's circle time? Show me your hands. Turn your voices up. You ready? Hello, hello, how are you? Hello, hello, it's good to see you. I say hello to you and all your friends. I say hello. Let's play together. Let's play together. Let's play together and have fun. Well done. Fantastic singing. Right, shall we go through our rules before we start? Okay. Can you tell me what this rule is? Well done. That is fantastic. Walking. What about this rule here? Oh, you are getting very good at this. That is good sitting, and I hope you're all doing your good sitting today. I hope you're all doing this as well today. Good listening, well done. And good looking. Use your eyes to do your good looking. And then we've got our kind hands, which I hope you're using at home. And then we've also got our kind feet. That's right, that's one of our new ones, isn't it? And also kind words. Yeah, it's really important to use your kind words both at home and at nursery as well. Now, yesterday, can you remember what day it was? What day was it yesterday? It was Tuesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. So, what day is it today? There's Monday and there's Tuesday. There's Wednesday today. It is Wednesday. Does anybody know what day it will be tomorrow? This day we sometimes struggle with in nursery. It's a bit of a difficult day to remember because it's not the beginning of the week and it's not the last day at nursery as well. This day comes after Wednesday and it begins with a. That's right, it is Thursday now. Thursday is particularly important, so tomorrow is a very, very important day. We'll talk about that a little bit later. But shall we do our Days of the Week song? Are you ready? There's Monday and there's Tuesday. There's Wednesday and there's Thursday. There's Friday and there's Saturday. And then there's Sunday too. Days of the week. 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 Well done. Right. What was the weather like yesterday? Do you remember Mrs Bibi was talking about what the weather was like on Monday? Because on Monday, Mrs Bibi said it's sunny and cloudy and also thundery. And yesterday, Mrs Bibi thought we might have similar weather too. And we did. There was sunshine. There was a lot of cloud. But there was also a lot of thunder. You could hear the thunder. It was very, very loud. And you could see the rain and you could see the lightning. Did you see the sky lighting up? I wonder how that made you feel. Did you feel scared or did you feel excited? Did you just want to get under your duvets? It was very, very loud. Let's have a look today though. What's the weather like today? Do you think it will be thundery again today? Or do you think it will stay sunny? Now, I'm looking outside of my window and at the moment it is sunny. but that may change. At the moment it is sunny. We may get some cloud and we may get some rain. Hopefully we won't get any more thunder, but we may get some rain later on. What's the weather like where you are at the moment? Is it sunny like it is where I am? Or is it cloudy? I'd love to hear what the weather's like where you are, and I'd love to hear about how you felt when it was thunder last night and when it was lightning as well. I've got some pictures to show you when we come back to nursery of lightning and thunder. So on Monday when you come back, I'll bring those pictures to show you all. Right, shall we do our numbers very quickly? Can you tell me what number this is? That's right, it's number 8. And we've got 8 trolls to help you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Can you tell me what number this is? That's right, it's number 3. 3 mermaids. 1, 2, 3. Can you tell me? Are you ready? You doing your good sitting? What number is this one? It is 6. 6 wolves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Are you ready for the next number? 3, 2, 1. What number is this one? It is 7. Well done. 7 wizards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fantastic. I think we are ready for our circle time now. Shake your hands. Shake your head. Shake your bodies. And stop. Right, can you remember yesterday what Mrs Bibi was talking about? Mrs Bibi showed you something yesterday. I'll give you some clues. It was green and it was a plant. Can you remember what it was called? Begins with the core. Core. Coriander. I've got it here, look. Coriander. And Mrs Bibi put a video up on how to plant a coriander seed. I hope you've all watched that. And today Mrs Bibi said that she was going to show you how to make some chutney or a dip. So for that I have got, oh, this is really, really heavy. I've got something very special here to make my chutney today. I have got a pestle. This is called a pestle. And this is called a mortar. And it's ceramic and it's very, very heavy. Can you hear it? Listen. You can bang it in the middle. It's a different sound, isn't it? If you bang it in the middle, it's a different sound. If you bang it on the outside, it's a different sound. I am sure some of your grown-ups will have this at home. Well, I hope they have anyway. But this is what I'm going to use to make the chutney. I'm going to put all the ingredients in here. And then the best part, the fun part, is when you can mash them all together and make lots of noise. Although I don't think your grown-ups would appreciate that very much. So, sit tight. I hope you've got all your ingredients ready. Because Mrs Bibi now is going to show you how to make a chutney. Right, so I've got my pestle and mortar. And this is what I'm going to use to crush the chutney together. I've got my green chilies, which I have chopped already. So this part's for your grown-up to do. I've got my 1 clove of garlic, which I've chopped already. I've got half a tomato, which I've also chopped already. I have got some plain yogurt. I've got the green leafed coriander, which I showed you yesterday. And I've also got some mint here. Now, mint has a very, very strong smell. and you can grow it in your garden, and I bet your grown-ups have got some mint in their garden. But this mint gives our chutney a really, really nice green colour. Right, so we'll start off by putting some green chilies into our mortar. This is the mortar. Let's put all our green chilies into the mortar. Then we're going to put our garlic into the mortar. Then we're going to put our chopped tomatoes into the mortar, like that. Then we're going to get some coriander leaves. Just going to pull them off. You can get as much or as little as this as you want. Now, green chilies, you don't even have to put green chilies in. If you don't like chili, then you don't need to put green chilies in. And green chilies are for your grown-ups to touch, not for you to touch, because they'll sting your eyes if you touch the green chilies and then touched your face. So you put a handful of coriander in, like so, and then you can put some green leafed mint into our mortar. Oh, that smells really nice. You can get this from Tesco's, or you can get some, I bet you've got some in your garden. Right, so, and then, let me just move all this out of the way, because the next part is the best part, it's the fun part. Because it's where we start to crush. This is the best part. You'll enjoy this part. So this is my pestle, and I'm going to crush all those ingredients together. This is so fun. This you can help your grown-ups to do. Sometimes you have to be a little careful, because if you bang it too hard, then the ingredients start to jump out. So can you see all those ingredients have really, really become mashed up? Sometimes you could twist it. Some people like to twist it, so you can twist the pestle like this. Can you see all the juices coming out now? Oh, that's looking good. I think we're about there. Yeah, so what I'm going to do now, is put my pestle over there to the side, and then get my yogurt that I showed you earlier, and into the yogurt I'm going to put spoonfuls of this mixture. It's 1 spoon. Can you count how many spoons I'm going to put in? And 2 spoons. This might be the final spoon. A little bit more. 3 and 4 spoons. Okay. Mrs Bibi's doing this one hand, which is a little bit tricky. Right, so now this is also fun as well, because you can see the change, the colour change in the yogurt. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to mix it all up. Can you see the yogurt turning green? Make sure you mix it really, really well. And that's my chutney done. Now you need to put some salt in at the end as well for taste. But you can have this with anything really. You can have it with breadsticks. You could have it with pakoras, with samosas. Sometimes people like to put it on rice. So yeah, enjoy helping your grown-up to make chutney. Bye.